Welcome to a place where time slows down, and the beauty of rural Maine life shines through every inch of the land. Nestled along a quiet dead-end road, this charming farmhouse invites you to step back in time and experience a life of peace, purpose, and natural beauty. Built in 1861, this historic home offers 4 to 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and unforgettable character, from its hardwood floors to its curved walls that whisper stories of generations past. Sitting on 7.6 acres of gently rolling land, the setting feels supplied yet connected, a place where the world quiets down and every morning brings a breath of fresh air and a new beginning. Step inside and feel the warmth of a home that's been loved for generations. The spaces are cozy and full of charm, just waiting for your personal touch. Whether you're dreaming of a large country kitchen, a family dining room, or simply a peaceful corner to read by the window, this home offers the canvas for your imagination. Outside, the land truly shines. You'll find wide-open pastures, ready for animals to roam or crops to grow. Whether you're planning to raise chickens, keep goats, or plant a garden filled with vegetables and wildflowers, this property is ready to become your homestead. A newer barn stands tall on the land, perfect for livestock, tractors, or even transforming into a creative workshop or studio space. A 2-car garage adds even more storage and makes life just a little easier, especially in the snowy Maine winters. But the real treasure, the established fruit trees and berries that already grow here. You'll find blackberry, blueberry, and strawberry plants, along with cherry, apple, crabapple, pear, and plum trees. Every season brings something new, from spring blossoms to summer harvests to the rich golden leaves of fall. It's not just a home, it's a living landscape that grows with you. For those who love the outdoors, this property offers something special. You'll have direct access to local ATV trails, making it easy to explore the countryside, ride through the woods, or simply enjoy the wide open sky above you. Whether you're looking to start a small farm, live more sustainably, or just want a place where life feels full again, this property gives you freedom, space, and endless possibility. You're not just buying land or a house, you're stepping into a new way of living. One filled with simple joys like watching deer at dawn, picking apples with the kids, or sitting on the porch as the sun sets in pink and gold. So if your heart is searching for something real, something grounded, something beautifully yours, then this farmhouse is calling. Come home to Maine. Come home to your dream.